Sony is a giant and surely one of the best companies in the market that is specialized in manufacturing gaming, entertainment and electronic products which are known for their quality and durability. Today, I'm going to make a detailed overview of their projector that performs equally well for gaming or home theater purposes, making it an ideal option even for the most demanding users. From a design perspective, the Sony VPL-HW45ES measures 16.1 inches in width, 7.1 inches in height, and 18.3 inches in length. In addition, it weighs around 20 pounds or 9 kilograms for those who prefer the metric system. This projector features an interesting piano black turtle-like shape, which makes it compact enough for placing it anywhere in your house, and it's suitable for any decor. The whole chassis is also accompanied by gentle curves and sharp angles, so it won't differ much beyond the rest of the bodywork. The Sony performs really good when it comes to the venting of hot air, since it vents from its front edge, giving you the opportunity to comfortably place it against the wall without any problem. On the left side, as you face the front, there are two HDMI inputs which have an HDCP compliance and an IR input with the RS232 connector, which are useful for having an external wired remote control, as well as a USB port that is strictly for firmware updates and nothing more. The remote control itself is illuminated, so it will increase your intuitive experience at nights, excluding you from the need to move from your position in order to find some light. I also want to mention that all of the lens's controls, such as shifting the lens horizontally and vertically, adjusting the focus and the zoom, are all manual, so you can do plenty of adjustments in order to find your ideal imagery. At the center, you can see the lamp, which is really efficient, durable, and as Sony claims, it lasts for around 6,000 hours of usage, but this varies since everything depends how you use it. Either way, the included lamp lasts long enough so it will reduce much running costs and let you have a simpler maintenance. Now, let's move to the next section where I will discuss the included features and how does the Sony VPL perform. This specific model has 1800 lumens of brightness thanks to the 215 watt lamp that works magnificently in delivering clarity and vibrant imagery for transforming your home into a real theater. There are 9 picture presets, where each is equally unique, and they include a photo mode, game, bright cinema, additional 2 cinema film modes, cinema digital, TV, bright TV, reference, and even an advanced HSV manual color turning tool for equipping you with more control, which I find extremely helpful. In addition, there are also 6 gamma correction settings, but unfortunately, neither of them offer a specific fine-tuning option for having a better control over the brightness. However, the picture quality is insanely good. This is a result of the many features included, such as the color space, smooth gradation, MPEG noise, noise reduction, reality creation, motion flow, and of course the input lag reduction, which gamers are going to find very useful.
Do you know what the most frightening thing in the world is? It's fear. Fear.
You gotta be fucking kidding. Kidding.
Movies. Overall, you should take this projector into serious consideration because it is silent, feature-rich and flexible at the same time, making it an ideal option for you if you are searching for a real cinematic experience. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If you want to find out the prices and more information about this projector, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to it, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I will see you in the next video.